Like, hi, we're the Badger Brothers. I'm Kitty. I'm Mouthy. We're gonna tell you what not to do.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
Ready?
Oh, it's already recording?
Yeah, let's go. So I just can cut it whenever. Hi! We're the Badger Brothers. I'm Mouthy.
I'm Kitty.
And we're going to show you what not to do. Because today, we took apart his car and didn't put it back together again. Do you know why? Because I'm nuts. But we're not going to go into that right now. Instead, we're going to tell you what we did do. What did we do? We took a bunch of stuff apart. So what did we do?
So today the plan was to get everything out, subframe out, engine cover off, heads off. Ready to go. Why? I'll get to that in a point. We'll you're going to have to do a lot of editing on this.
Yeah, we'll do a little editing.
So what we're doing with this project is we're trying to get the Taurus SHO 4th gen, the fastest quarter-mile record, which I think currently is, I'll put it at the bottom of the description below, is 11.515 seconds, and it's held by, I can't remember the gentleman's name, I'll put his info below.
Let's dig it. Something like that, because we're badgers. And we dig stuff.
Remember, kids, use ear and eye protection. We're professionals. Danger, Will Robinson.
You know the sawdust throws right at you?
Sorry. I was just going to let it happen. Can you still say it makes good television if it's going on YouTube? You always have to snap gloves, especially Dexter gloves. That's why you need practice. You've only murdered, what, 3 people? I've at least got a half dozen.
This neighborhood is full of crazies.
Yes, sir? What do we do now?
Nothing, I'm just watching.
Oh.
I'm observing, trying to figure out where to hit it.
Yeah. All these newfangled cars, they get so sensitive, like these millennials. Wait, we're millennials, aren't we?
Technically, yes.
I'm just thinking if the camera adds 10 pounds, my hands must be huge.
Look at that. Silver stuff.
You don't even know what that does.
That's silver stuff.
It's heat wrap.
Oh, man.
I think it's to try to keep the intake cooler. He's got menthol.
Yeah, but you want to keep the intake warm so it heats the ass up so it explodes quicker.
Yeah. How far does your tube move?
My tube moves about far.
Remember when you poured, what was it, antifreeze in the oil? Or no, antifreeze in the transmission. It was antifreeze in the transmission, wasn't it?
No,
it was in the oil? And we don't have any excuse for that because me and you both were sitting there talking and we didn't even pay any attention when he did it.
What happens when you two...
Well, I'll leave you alone.
Dabbering.
Well, if we didn't talk, nobody would talk.
Well, what's wrong with that?
Nobody paying you to stand around a goddamn stare.
You and your perfection over here had to get these T-bands all the way underneath here, didn't you? Like, I want it to be pretty.
Wow.
What? You just said take the intake tube off.
Wrenches are for the Stone Ages.
I love wrenches.
You can get in there with the ratchet.
10.
So get those out of my side.
What?
Why?
Because it's a hand tool. Only pussies use power tools.
Or you can use a hand tool to take off.
But, I'm a real boy.
You give me the fucking creeps, you know that?
So as you might have seen, we had a little trouble getting started, but Just like any animal coming out of hibernation, we soon found our footing.
Oh, that's good old elixir. Thought you drained the oil. Is it funny that I have a craving for Guinness now? Yeah.
How's it going?
Slowly.
Are you guys recording any of this?
Yeah, all of it.
Oh, so I'm on tape.
You're on tape right now, right here.
Oh, damn.
And right there. And right here.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Just got to be very delicate. You're not a very delicate man. Leave the delicacies to me. Nobody saw that.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Yes, your head thing, so come over here.
What?
So we took out the
Hub nut.
hub nut. We took out this bolt, runs through on the back side of here. And now we're just seeing what comes loose next.
Give it a little taparoo. A little tap tap. A little tippy tap. What is this
I
attached
think
to
I'm
back
probably
here?
gonna have to,
Oh, that's the tie rod?
yeah, I'm probably gonna have to take that off.
Like, I almost feel like we could unscrew the strut tower and just drop the whole thing. I'm not saying that's something we should do or it's a good idea. I'm thinking out loud, and that's something that sometimes isn't the best. But it makes me nervous, because I know that's something that I've always heard you got to be careful of, and I've not messed with spring compressors in a while.
Well, you look nervous.
Not since the Sentra? That's your tie rod. Is that other one just a sway bar?
I'm just trying to figure out what needs to come done for this motor.
Does the
'Cause
spindle...
I'm pretty sure this top has to come out to be able to pull out more.
As some of you astute observers probably figured out by now, we were going about this the wrong way and soon discovered we just need to rip the freaking shocks out.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
So now we gotta cover what we did today.
Uh-oh. What did we do?
Not much.
We did a lot of nothing.
At this rate, I don't know.
This rate, maybe October.
No.
We're moving
Slowly, too fast.
What are you doing? Yeah, what do we do today? So what do we do today?
So where the plan was to take the engine out, subframe everything off, take the engine covers off, the heads off, and everything ready to put the heads on for the next episode. Things didn't go according to plan today. We kind of got stuck on the suspension parts to get the subframe off. Had some problems with the drive shaft, getting it disconnected, and just a lot of just little hang-ups. But we've got partners with Super 6 Motorsports. Tom Yentzer, he's been an awesome guy. He's doing all the head work and everything for us. Unleashed Tuning, Tori, he's an awesome tuner. He's doing everything for the big turbo tuning. Boundary pumps, we have oil pump gear and a stainless crank gear. Comp cams we've been working with, and we are Badger Brothers. I am a big BP racing fuel fan, so we're running methanol in it right now, and only Mobil 1 goes in this sweetheart. So that's all the sponsors that we've been working with and partnering with, and we'll go into more detail in other videos on the actual items and equipment and kind of give you close-ups of everything. And so hopefully we're going to grab the record this year, and hopefully someone else will steal it from us and keep going and get these things really going. So these engines, these EcoBoosts, are really awesome engines. You want to do it? You do it. Until next time. Ho! Ho!
So, tune in next time when we actually do get to rip open the shiny stuff. This is the same channel, different show.
Okay, I think we're recording again. Yep. Wom, 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 wom. And that's why we do what we do, ladies and gentlemen. We do what we do for the wob wobs. Wob wob wobs.
Try the other one. Try the other way. Flip it over.
Why don't you just back off?
Flip it over. I'm trying to help you.
It's got the ratcheting mechanism.
No.
You know you gotta.
Yeah. No.
I'm going the other way, right?
Tight. Yeah. Go the other way.
There you go.
There's actually a lever, but.
Oh, there's a lever?
Yeah. Well, once you get it loose, you can do it with your hands.
Oh, with my sheep hands.
Oh, 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 it's magic. You know.
I was thinking about Chuck the other day.
Schumer?
Then why do we do it?
To go. Well, where'd you get all your stuff?
Oh. I've only gotten as far as the cats and the first resonator, so I welded all that together. No, it's not what you think. I saw that look. It's like, you welded? No, not exactly what you're thinking. It does have flanges.
It was, oh, yeah.
Until next time.
Yeah, okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wait, okay.
Let's practice.
So let's practice. Wait,
We
no,
touch things?
yeah, no, we do this
do
way.
this?
Yeah, this way. Wait, they do this,
Oh,
or they do this way. Yeah, and then they, yes. Okay.
You want to do it?
You do it. Sweet. Do it. Or no, wait.